Hello guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem. It is wrong. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Here 9 divided by 3 times this 3. Here 3 times 3 is 9. This is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, multiplication and divisions are same priority, addition and subtractions are same priority. We have to follow this left to right rule. As per this PEMDAS, here 9 divided by 3 is 3. 9 divided by 3 times 3. So now we have division and multiplication in this problem. First we have to do this 9 divided by 3 because left to right order we are following here. So 3 times 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. This is the correct answer.